Welcome to the Straits Times Schools, this newspaper's award-winning young reader department. Seen her? She's Nicole Lim, the 2014 winner of the RHB The Straits Times National Spelling Championship. The Big Spell is in fact just one of many programs that the school's team runs each year to nurture its young readers. There's the Straits Times National Youth Media Competition for teens in secondary schools and the Straits Times MOE's National Current Affairs Quiz for pre-university students. Both are designed to get young people to develop a deeper understanding of current affairs and significant issues in the news and participate in its discussion. Read them. The Straits Times In and Little Red Dot are its magazines for secondary and primary schools. They are delivered to readers every Monday and Tuesday, packed with loads of classroom resources, learning activities and news features about the young. Both titles launched in 2005 and have in the years since won multiple awards for editorial excellence. The Straits Times Schools work closely with the Education Ministry to adapt stories from the newspaper into teaching material for the classrooms. These include Page 2 Primer, Eureka, No Sweat and the award-winning 48 Values. This year we created our very first scrapbook, Step, My Year in the News 2014. In it is a word bank, English language activities and of course lots of stickers.
The newspaper, however we read it, is the only place you'll find inspiration here, disaster there, and then suddenly a picture of Miley Cyrus that's just inexplicable. And these stories open up so much scope for discussion in class and at home about what it means to live in this world at this time. For the young person, it gets them talking about what it means to be responsible or have respect and what it means to show kindness and how to be a part of a community. And the news gives readers that chance every day.